Hi Sagittarius, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 13th of December. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump in and see what this particular week has in store for all of you. The first card that I see for you is Nine of Wands, Hermit card, and the Moon card. Now for person B, the first card is Knight of Swords, Seven of Wands, and Five of Cups. Bottom of the deck, I have Queen of Swords, which means that there is a very direct one-on-one conversation which is due between the two of you. Maybe you or your person is hiding something, there's some secrets, and you need to go ahead and discuss this with the other person. Now from the first set of cards, I see you have Nine of Wands, which means that you're stressed out. You're stressed out, exhausted. There is something, either this relationship or something outside this relationship, which is causing you a lot of stress. The second card I see here is Hermit card, which is Virgo's energy. It means that you will get into a self-reflection mode and try to think about this relationship and things which are somehow impacting this relationship. The third card here is the Moon card, which shows there's some secret. Maybe there's something that you are not telling this other person and you're just hiding it from everybody. Now from the second person's row, I see their first card is Knight of Swords. Knight of Swords means this person wants to rush in and talk about something. It could be anything. It could be something that they feel that they need to discuss with you or something that they have hidden from you. But this person wants to rush in and talk about something. The second card that I see here is Seven of Wands, which means that there's some kind of stress this person is going through. And the third card is Five of Cups, where they feel that everything is lost in this relationship. There's nothing that they can do. There's nothing that they can do to go ahead and correct this relationship, but that's not correct. If this person still wants, they can still go ahead and revive this relationship. All that they need to do is just put in that effort. Okay, so this is what I see here from the cards. Let's also see what is the intention of this person for you. So the first card is the Sun card, the Ten of Wands, and the Five of Wands. With Sun card, it's a very positive sign, because when the Sun energy comes out, it shows that everything that is hidden, it comes out. Okay, it shows new beginnings. Anything which is hidden comes out. Everything is out in the open. So when the sun comes out, it's like a bright sunny day. You start your day with that same energy. With the Sun card, everything will be happy and positive when you get into this energy. The second card is Ten of Wands, which shows that they may feel that this relationship has kind of become a burden. And the third card is Five of Wands, which talks about some kind of fighting, some kind of competition. Maybe people around you are fighting for something, maybe for your time, energy, money also for some of you. And you need to be a little careful on this. Now with this, we'll also quickly see what is the message that we have from the Moonology Oracle text for all of you. So the message that I see here is step out of your comfort zone. Now if you are in your comfort zone, you need to step out and take risk. Only then this relationship will work out for you. Now with this, we'll also quickly go ahead and see what is the message we have from archangels, and if there is a crystal that can help you out in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is Girasol Quartz. The crystal messages: have you noticed that people and situations are reflecting your feeling or thoughts? Pay attention to the messages these mirrors provide. Take stock of what work you need to do to improve your self-awareness and personal growth. Now with this, there is also a message here from Archangel Azatkiel that I'll put in the description box, and you can read it from there. Now that's all that I have for you for this particular week. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.